Hey, welcome to this week's Job with Jason. A lot of you ask me, is there really coffee in this cup? I get that question all the time, and there 100% is, especially right now with all the changes going on in the mortgage business. There's a lot of things changing. It's rapid fire right now, the mortgage business and what's going on with COVID-19. I hope this video finds your family doing well. Hope you're healthy. Hope you're not too antsy inside of your house. Today I want to talk about the differences between a mortgage government forbearance on your mortgage payments versus a mortgage payment deferral program, which is being proposed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac right now. So they're two completely different things. And you need to know, if you're going to be calling a servicer and trying to negotiate this, what they actually need. So let's talk about the forbearance first and foremost, okay? A forbearance is, hey, I can't make my mortgage payment. I've been affected by COVID-19, or I lost my job, or I've been sick, and it's hard for me to make my payments right now, right? And so I don't want to make my payment, or I can't make my payment for the next 3 months. What that means is you don't make your payment for 3 months. At the end of the 3 months, you could pay all 3 payments, okay? That's completely different than a mortgage payment deferral. So make sure you understand that. After the term, you're going to pay all 3 payments at the same time, and the term can vary. The thing to really know about this government forbearance is that the government really hasn't clearly defined to your servicer, your mortgage company, what all the terms are. So they're kind of guessing right now, and they're being inundated with phone calls. So I actually called Carrington Mortgage, which is my servicer, just to see if I could get through to them, because my loan was sold from Chase to Carrington, and I was on hold for 25 minutes. And the reason is because everyone right now is calling in to try to get information on this, and they don't have really good guidance, to be honest with you. So they're trying to wait for the government. The questions you need to ask, though, if you do get a hold of them, is, hey, how is this going to affect my credit report? I know they say it's not supposed to count as a late, but will be notated on the credit report that I went into forbearance, and will that affect my ability to refinance my house later on? Also, what happens to the escrow payments, insurance and taxes? Is the servicer going to front those as well too? And who pays those? So those are very important questions to ask if you talk to your lender about a government forbearance on your mortgage payments. The second one, which Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are rolling out in the middle of right now, it might be done by the time I send this video out, is the mortgage payment deferral program. I think this is a lot cleaner. It makes a lot of sense. And what that means is, hey, I'm not going to make a mortgage payment for a certain amount of time, 3 months, 6 months, right? And they put that at the end of the loan, right? So you literally don't make the payments 6 months. It's at the end of the loan. So if you pay off that loan, when you pay it off, you'll have a balloon of those 3 to 6 months, whatever you negotiate, due when you pay it off. All right, so know that. So if you pay off the mortgage, number 2, if you sell your house in the future, that'll be part of your payoff. So your payoff will be a little bit higher when you sell it, and they'll just roll it in. The lastly is a refinance, right? And so if you refinance it later on, then the same thing, your balance is going to be that much higher at the very end. So I think those are the 3 options that will come down. And again, the intent of this also is not to have any mortgage rates on it. So if you have any questions on this stuff, my main thing is I want to make sure you understand there's 2 different things going on here, and you're asking the right questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. We are up here at the office because we're essential, and pretty easy to get a hold of. So 832-228-5626 is my number. And again, stay safe, wash your hands, and hope to see you soon.